We're here in Tokyo, the most populous city in the world.
You might be here because of that 500 gigs worth of footage that you have.
You're on a travel website in the middle of a global pandemic. This is a little bit of a sticky situation. See, travel right now during COVID-19 is a really tricky topic.
Hi, I'm Lexi, and I'm the youngest person to travel to every country.
At the age of just 21 years old, she has visited every single country in the world.
This is a camera. It's a wonderful little invention, and if you know how to use it, you can make some really cool stuff.
Welcome to London.
Drones are everywhere.
Traveling with kids can be crazy.
This is why people love Costa Rica.
This huge, vibrant city has so much to offer, which presents a challenge for us visitors. How do we actually get around this place?
Cape Town is the mother city. It's turquoise water.
How to plan and prepare for a trip with kids in mind, and how to survive those infamous international flights.
In this course, we'll go into travel filmmaking with the drone.
We then dive into the anatomy of a bowl of ramen.
So many amazing natural sights and beautiful little villages, and it's hard to know where to start in planning a trip. That's why we made a course.
We're gonna work together.
We hope that this course empowers you to go out and make some amazing
We hope you'll join us.
To my new favorite city, Cape Town, South Africa.
And I'm excited to share everything I've learned.
Join me in this course.
See you in the course.
So, I'll see you in there.